Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. I hope you got the chance to try out our deliciously spooky final episode for Halloween when we made our monstrously delicious monster sandwich cookies. If you missed that episode, of course, you can always check it out right here. Now today is another special day. It is Dia de Muertos, the Day of the Dead. In honor to celebrate that, we're going to be making a delicious recipe. We're going to be making a chicken tamale stuffed poblano pepper. For that, you will need the following ingredients: 4 large poblano peppers, 2 large chicken breasts, 1 medium yellow onion diced, 3 garlic cloves minced, 14-ounce can of cream-style corn, 10 ounces of red enchilada sauce, 1 cup of shredded Mexican blend cheese, and some salt and pepper to taste. First step is to preheat our oven to 425 degrees. You're going to take a paring knife and you're going to carefully remove the stem of each of your poblano peppers. Then cut your poblanos in half lengthwise and place them on a baking tray that's been lined with some aluminum foil and lightly sprayed with some cooking spray. Spray your peppers again with some cooking spray and sprinkle with some salt and pepper and set them aside. You're going to take your chicken breasts and you're also going to place them on your baking tray. Sprinkle with salt and pepper, and then your chicken and your peppers are ready for baking. Place your chicken on the middle rack and your peppers on the bottom rack in your oven. You're going to bake them for about 25 to 30 minutes or until your chicken has fully cooked, which means it has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Immediately place your chicken while it's still hot in the bowl of a stand mixer that's been fitted with a paddle attachment. Mix your chicken on medium speed until it is completely shredded, then set the bowl aside. Take your poblano peppers nestled in very tightly into the baking dish and then set the dish aside. Our next step is to warm a drizzle of olive oil over medium-high heat in a large skillet. Once your oil is nice and hot, add your onion and season with salt and pepper. Cook until your onions are nice and soft and translucent. Once that's done, add in your garlic and you're only going to cook it for about a minute until they're beautifully fragrant. Then you're going to add in all of your shredded chicken, your creamed corn, and your enchilada sauce. You're gonna mix really well and you're going to let it warm up on your stove in the large skillet until it's nice and hot and bubbly. Use a large spoon to spoon your chicken tamale filling into each of your poblano peppers. It's okay if they're overstuffed, or if you have any extra filling, you can set it aside for later. Once your poblano peppers have been filled, use your cheese to evenly spread it across the top of each of your stuffed peppers. Then this is ready to bake once more. You're going to bake your peppers in your still heated oven for about 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Once the cheese has melted, switch your oven to broil over medium heat, and you're going to keep a close watch and let it broil for about a minute or two until the top is nice and beautifully browned. And with that, our cheesy chicken tamale stuffed poblano peppers are done. You can see my cheese just got so beautifully browned. My peppers, because we roasted them in the oven first, are nice and soft and tender. And then that chicken tamale filling with the sweet corn and the enchilada sauce is just delicious and loaded with flavor. This is one of my favorite meals. It's easy to make and always delicious. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our easy and cheesy chicken tamale stuffed poblano peppers. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. Don't forget to visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my delicious recipes. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful Dia de Muertos and a very happy break day.